The coronavirus outbreak, which originated from Wuhan, China, has affected over 200 million people, as well as claimed the lives of 4,875,160 others worldwide. And subsequent efforts employed by various governments to check the spread of the virus included prevention of large gatherings and practice of social distancing, which ultimately led to the closure of schools, malls, worship centers, among others. Now, with the availability of vaccines to combat the pandemic, the United Nations Children's Fund is advocating for teachers to be considered as a high priority group for vaccination. For the teachers, getting vaccinated alongside the continuous observation of all necessary precautionary measures is key to ensuring safe reopening of schools.
As a teacher, I feel that if you have been vaccinated before in your life, you need this vaccine. There is no difference. You've taken polio vaccine as a child, you've been vaccinated one way or the other as a child. This is not a different vaccination. Forget about what people are saying. Embrace the vaccine so that you can be protected.
COVID-19 is real, and once people are vaccinated, they are safe. I respect the opinion and professional advice from the World Health Organization and the Federal Ministry of Health. The advice is that people should be vaccinated because COVID-19 is real. And we have collected the vaccine and we are safe, and school is ongoing. So it should be promoted.
A number of these imparters of knowledge also took time to recount the devastating effects of the pandemic on schools and education institutions, while expressing commitments towards ensuring that normalcy returns to places of learning.
It really interrupted the school seriously, because up to now some of the schools have not even recovered from the COVID-19 problem. Most especially we in Nasarawa State. In fact, we found out that COVID-19 seriously affected the education program. The education program, in terms of holidays and the rest, COVID-19 have affected it seriously.
The impact was so much and it was enormous for us. Initially, he made the school to be a little bit staggering, but along the line we found our feet, and the children could go through remote learning, and eventually with the help of the technology, we did a lot of teaching through the internet, through WhatsApp platforms, through Zoom platforms, in order to reach our children.
One of the things that COVID-19 has caused for our students generally is the gap in learning gap. Learning gap has been created that has impacted negatively on the vast majority of students that do not have access to online learning facilities.
The teachers further made case for equity distribution of the COVID-19 vaccines to ensure their colleagues, especially in the rural parts of the country, are adequately captured in the ongoing vaccination exercise. CNN News.